What's up, guys? So today we're gonna go attempt to get my muffler welded on. I put the long tubes and everything. It has cats, but they're hollowed out. And when I called him earlier, he asked if it had cats. So we're gonna see if he'll go for it. I'm gonna try to do the side exit, and I'll record a before and after. It's gonna be a short video, but I just wanna record how it's gonna sound and how it's gonna look and stuff. But I'll record when we're there.
Tenemos unas que son parecidas a estas, no las tenemos sueltas, se le verían muy bonitas. Estas cabronas están caras, estas instaladas ahí serían como más o menos unos $500, son Corsa. Pero
Estas sí me gusta como están en Inglewood.
yeah, si quieres te puedo ordenar una para mañana. Si no llevas prisa y ya te quedaría bien así. Pero tú sabrás.
Creo que a lo menos no sé si tengo tiempo mañana de salirme temprano. ¿Puedo poner estas a la troca si no?
Sí, agárrala así como. Sí, fíjate a ver si te gustan. ¿Cómo se ve?
Fuck yeah, I don't know what to tell them. How much for that? I don't know what to tell them for that. I'll tell them I'll slide later.
Nada más ahí ten cuidado donde las pones, porque acuérdate que tienen las muelles y esas, they drop cuando over bumps y también como si un día la levantan, ya tiene que ser un poquito para enfrente. Por eso te decía que aquellas le quedaría muy bien, porque como está en ángulo, ya se puede poner así, de este lado donde están las muelles.
¿Tiene otra así de ese estilo?
Es que la acabamos de vender, te las iba a enseñar ahora, pero las acabamos de vender. Vino otro y también las hicimos así igual al design.
Sí, estaría mejor así.
Sí, te digo, para otra oportunidad que tengas ya te las puedo, ¿no? Ya estaría aquí.
¿Y cuánto las otras tips?
Las otras sí son un poquito más caritas, pero te podemos ayudar. Yo pienso que con aquellas, podemos hacer unos 280.
¿280? ¿Con todo?
Ya todo, ya. Sí, porque estas ahí donde las acomodaste es la muelle.
Es lo que he visto que tiene problemas con eso.
Sí, por eso a mí nunca me gusta ponerlas de aquel lado de las muelles, tienen que ser de este lado. Por eso aquellas están perfectas por el ángulo que tienen.
Entonces, ¿cómo la harían? ¿La harían por abajo? ¿Cómo la pasarían por acá?
No, esta tiene que ser aquí, así de este ángulo. Por eso el ángulo como están como que es un poquito, ¿sabes? Quedarían bien así. Una aquí y la otra aquí, por este lado de la muelle.
Lo pasarían así por abajo del frame.
Sí, por abajo, sí, es como tiene que ser.
Yo creo que sí, mejor los ordeno las otras para que
es más, déjate el ordeno ahorita. Mañana en la mañana, yo creo que mañana como a las 11 ya estaría aquí.
Yeah, those are clean. Those are?
Si son idénticas a esas, nada más no son de la misma marca, pues.
No necesito tanto de marca así para las tips.
No, y luego como está bajita la troca, a lo mejor se la raspas.
Probably. ¿Se han puesto eso de Black Widow mufflers aquí?
Sí.
¿Cómo se escuchan? ¿No las tienen negras?
No,
Las
si estuvieran negras, estarían también un poquito caritas. Deja ver si las tengo. stock y todo.
I'd rather wait and fucking get those. They look nicer anyways at an angle. So we're just gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna get something like this style, so chromes. It'll fit a lot better, and just where it leaves. I'll explain after, but it'll fit better. I'd rather wait. So we're not gonna get it done today. He showed me another exhaust tip that he had well, he didn't have it in stock, but he had another one in stock, but it's a Corsa. I ain't gonna pay Corsa money on this shit. Fuck that. So he has another one that's similar, and it fit a lot better because the way the exhaust runs, I would have to run it through the leaf spring, and if I hit a bump or if I lift it or if I go lower, it'll just get in the way. I would have to chop it off again. So I'm gonna just go this one. He's gonna run it another way, so it won't hit or nothing. But I gotta wait for the tip to come in tomorrow. But I'd rather wait. So I'll just continue the video tomorrow. So we're gonna give it another try. I called the shop. They said that the tips came in already, so I'm heading over there right now. I'm sure they know their stuff, man. They've been doing this forever. They know that they know that the cats are hollowed, I bet. But I'm pretty sure as long as they see that it's there, because they ain't trying to get caught up and like for some reason an inspector comes through or something and they check that shit like, oh, why you working on a car with no cats? You know, they ain't trying to get no fat ass fine. So I feel it. So I'm pretty sure as long as it looks like there's something there, they'll be cool about it. So let's hope, you know, because I'm heading over there right after work, so I ain't trying to drive for no reason. So let's hope it all works out, and we'll try to get a little before and after clip. See, I mean, I'm going by myself, so either I'll set the camera down or I'll do something. But I'll try to get a clip. But all right, let's head over there. So we just pulled up to the shop actually. So here goes nothing. Wait. I'm gonna smack the pole. For sure. Let's go see. I think these are it. So let's see. Huh? Estas, no? Yeah. Things are gonna be it. So they got it up in there already. I'm gonna put this one. They're gonna run it through the bottom and it's gonna come out the right here. See how it sounds in a little bit. Shit looks nice. ¿Está bien? No, todavía no. What's up? What up, man?
How much? I have your pliers.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna come see you guys tomorrow.
All right.
I ran out of time on Wednesdays.
Well, it's done. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I know I'm gonna scrape them somewhere because they sit pretty low. I already scrape on the little hangers that are on the Y type of the headers. So that's why they had some black Corsa ones, but I was like, man, I ain't trying to pay Corsa money to just scratch them up. And I was gonna go with some black tips, that the black Corsa ones. Pretty glad I went with the chrome because they... Damn, that shit is quiet in here. I like it. Yeah. No, I'm pretty glad I went with the chrome ones. He convinced me. Well, he told me they were cheaper, so he convinced me like that. Damn, why's this shit smoking so much? But yeah, they match hella good. They go with the chrome wheels, so I'm hella happy with that. So that's gonna be the end of it for this video. It's gonna be a short one. I just wanted to show the exhaust getting put on. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Hopefully you guys like the sound of it. I'm pretty sure the video is not gonna do it justice. So Black Widow race venom. So I haven't really heard of much people with that muffler out here, so let's see if I put some people on. But make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so I know I said the video's over, but I just want to do a little clip of how it sounds inside. It's quiet. Damn, no drone. I hella like it. Damn, so. Alright, now that's it. Damn. They chilling. Damn, that nigga saw me holding, that nigga was mugging me. Let's hope that nigga don't come after me. I'm a good, I think. Alright. Now that's it.